Okay, hello, this is Copenhagen. I wasn't going to record here, but this is quite an extraordinary city actually. There's a lot of cyclists around here, a lot of them. Just look at the cycles parked over there, bicycles there. And I haven't seen many bikers. Even the Uber Eats are not here, which is a bit of a surprise. So I've just added some coordinates into GPS for a little tour of the city. I think this area is called the New Harbour. These are quite narrow streets, difficult to see, what's going on. So this is the New Harbour. So turning right here, and I think that's the Royal Palace somewhere here. Probably that one in the front. I think that's the winter home for the Danish Royal, what am I talking about? Yeah. Danish Royal, that's their home for the winter. These are really weird small streets. Beautiful though. Now I'm heading towards the Little Mermaid, which I think is a bit of a statue, quite a famous statue for Copenhagen. I'm so glad this car is in front of me because I have got no idea about the speed, and I can just follow him, and presumably he knows what he's doing with his speed, so can't go wrong with that. So we are heading the other side of this statue. Oh, there's a Little Mermaid as well. Other side is this park. Okay, turn right from here, and yeah, I'm hoping there's a mermaid waiting for me around the corner, hopefully. Kilometers an hour is not a lot, is it? I think we turn right here. Let's see. This is turning out to be quite scenic. Nice. Supposed to be somewhere here on the left. Okay, let's have a look. I think it's just over there. Oh, there we are. The Little Mermaid. Okay. There we are. This is quite an iconic scene apparently for the city. That's Copenhagen for you. Seems to be quite a lot of presence here. So there you are, that's a little tour for you in Copenhagen. I was originally looking for a hotel in here, and the hotels were actually quite a reasonable price, but there was no parking, and the parking would cost about £34 a night. What a rip-off, man, come on. That's the reason I didn't didn't get a hotel here. And like I said, there are not a lot of motorbikes. Oh, I see one there. Not a lot of motorbikes at all, and there's no parking, no motorcycle parking, which is quite strange. Okay, this is the road which links Denmark to Sweden. It's the bridge. Actually, I'm not sure if it's a bridge or a tunnel. I think it's a tunnel actually. Oh, that's good, because it avoids a bit of rain. It just started raining now, so see you on the other side. Okay, here we are on the other side, and the tunnel, and I'm not actually sure exactly where the Swedish border is, but it should be around here somewhere. Very windy on this side. Ah, there's the bridge. Okay. Yeah, this is obviously a toll road. Oh, very windy. So I didn't really expect to start recording until I get to maybe middle of Sweden, but Copenhagen was interesting, so I started to set up the GoPro together, which I didn't really do before setting off for this trip, and it was just playing up. You know, the remote wasn't connecting and the GoPro wasn't really set up. So anyway, that took a little bit of time, and yeah, then we had that tour in Copenhagen, and I just before getting onto the bridge, I got into the supermarket and got myself some dinner for tonight. Tonight I've just booked, like I said earlier, maybe I think I said it in the YouTube shorts. I've booked myself a little apartment, and it's a particularly cheap apartment, not really fancy, just does the job, just saves me camping tonight. If it's cheap enough, why not? Look at that rain. Can you see that rain? I'm not sure if the camera is able to pick that up, but that black cloud over there is basically dishing it down there. And what's happening on this side? Don't know. Okay. This particular road is a toll road, and this links obviously the Denmark to Sweden. There was another bridge I crossed earlier that cost me, I think, about £14. I'll let you know how much this one is, but yeah, it is a toll road. We haven't even got to the middle of the bridge yet. Oh, look at this. I think that was Swedish board, possibly. Didn't say Sweden there, but it said something else, but probably what it is. I've also got myself an Android Auto after breaking, I think, 3 phones, losing one, and also I think might have cracked a couple of screens. This only cost me 29 quid. Okay, here we are. So nearly at the center of the bridge, I guess, where this little bar ends, just about here. That's the middle, and then we're on the other side. Welcome to Sweden. So obviously this is my trip to Norway. That's the prime target. I'm going to do a proper introduction later on. I tried to do one in the YouTube shorts, but I will do it tomorrow, I think. Explain to you where I am going, what's happening. But this is a long trip for me from the UK. It's about, I think, more than 4,000 miles, possibly 4,400 miles, something like that. Okay, nearly at the end of the bridge. I think what you see over there is the toll payment kiosk. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, let's see what is going on here. I have no idea how much it is. Okay, card is in the middle, and it's the blue. Look for the blue. Okay, we are in the right lane. Blue card. I think it's automatic payment. That's how it was in the last one anyway, as well. Card. Is there any difference between that and that? Nope. whatever that AB3 means. That's how it is. Right, I'm gonna stop here, and I think right. Really, you want me to insert the card? Let's try this first. Woohoo! Bloody hell. Receipt. Where's the receipt? There we are. And shove it in there. And away we go. Let's lock up the card in here. Don't want to lose that. Right, which way do I need to go? I guess this is the customs. Right. All right, welcome to Sweden. We're about 9 minutes away from the accommodation I have booked, so not long to go. How much is it? 9.4 kilometers. So, oh well, I hope you enjoyed this little excursion. Yeah, well, it wasn't really an excursion. Yeah, the Copenhagen was an excursion. Seems to be a bit of a ghost town. This is Malmo. I mean, it is a little bit late, I guess, but very quiet. Ooh, I see the red dot on the GPS. Ooh, that makes me happy. That's the end destination. Possibly one of the last turns coming up for the night. And the rain starts. It is supposed to be somewhere on the right. I think it's down there. I think. Just gonna park my bike and have a look. To be honest with you, I didn't really expect too much of this little room. That's the bike parked there. That's just going to come down the stairs, and this is where it is. And I come in, and it's a nice, cozy little space actually. Got a fridge, freezer, microwave. You know, your everything that I need really, and yeah, fresh towels, and even the washing machine. All looking good. And this has got center the floor heating, so I decided to put my jacket there. Okay, so I think I'm all set for the night then. Okay, that's a good, very good I think entrance into Sweden.